Your full name is your soul's contract, and your name number is the combined frequency of your full name. Each letter in the alphabet contains its own frequency, and when you match the corresponding number to each letter in your full name and add them all up together, this will give you your total name number vibration. You can use this chart called the unit method to calculate your name number vibration. And this is just an image taken from my book, Supreme Mathematics, links in my profile bio. What you will notice about this chart is that there are no letters that vibrate to the number 9. And this is because the number 9 cannot alter fate. Any number you add to 9 is just going to equal itself. For example, 4 plus 9 is 13, 1 plus 3 makes a 4. 7 plus 9 is 16, 1 plus 6 makes a 7, 8 plus 9 is 17, 1 plus 7 makes 8. Any number you add to 9 just equals itself because the number 9 cannot alter fate. All it can do is fulfill it. So any letter that vibrated to 9 would just erase itself in the name number vibration. And this is something that the Chaldeans discovered thousands of years ago. And because of this, they never included the number 9 in the name number vibration. The only way you can have a name number 9 is if all the letters in your full name make a combined frequency of the number 9. But there are no singular letters that vibrate to the number 9. And this is why Pythagorean name number numerology is false. There are no professional or master numerologists that use Pythagorean numerology. This is just something that is unheard of. Now, once you get done calculating your name number vibration, what you're going to do is reduce it to a singular digit sum. So let's say, for example, you ended up getting the number 75. What you're going to do is add up 7 plus 5, that's going to give you 12, then add up 1 plus 2, that's going to give you 3. So 75 is a name number 3. Let's say, for example, you ended up getting a name number 100. What you're going to do is add up 1 plus 0, and 100 is just a name number 1. Let's say, for example, you ended up getting an 86. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 plus 4 makes a 5. So 86 is a name number 5. Now, if you want the bigger definition of the compound number before we reduce it, for example, like 104, 87, 39, those definitions are in my book. But in today's video, we're going to be talking about the name number 5. Once again, your name number is your overall frequency. This is your aura. This is your basic personality traits. This is the influence that you have on the world. And this is how other people see you. It also has an influence on your reputation. If you are a name number 5, you are social, communicative, energetic, highly intelligent, and you're extremely adaptable to your environment. As a 5, you're going to be an extremely curious individual, and your mind constantly needs to evolve by you feeding it new information and new experiences. And so you guys need to be in new environments. You need to meet new people all the time. You guys need new interactions. You guys need to be reading as many books as possible. And you guys need to learn something new every single day. 5 is one of the wisdom numbers, and this is a very mentally active vibration. You guys thrive off of mental energy, and you guys crave mental stimulation. 5s tend to be charming. They tend to look young and live long as well. And these people are also very attractive to the opposite sex. 5s are also extremely persuasive. And this is because you guys are really enthusiastic and you guys are excellent and great with your words. And so 5s make perfect salesmen. These people absorb new information at lightning speeds, and they can easily break this information down and explain it to other people. And so they're really good at explaining the product that they are selling. Anything that requires communication or interaction with others, 5s thrive in. You guys make excellent public speakers, influencers, salesmen, entrepreneurs. 5s are excellent songwriters. They're excellent musicians. Anything that requires using your words, y'all are going to be great at. And you guys are highly social as well, like I said earlier. So you guys are really good at interacting with people. So you guys can close deals really well. You guys can convince people to purchase your products. And you guys are really good with your words. So I would say master the art of communication. And another thing that you guys need to master is discipline. The 5 is the most undisciplined number. And so if you guys don't learn discipline, you're going to be a jack of all trades and a master of none. You don't want to just know a little bit about everything. It's good to know a little bit about everything, but you guys want to be able to perfect something as a 5, because this is what's going to separate you from other people. Because 5s are extremely curious and they tend to chase excitement, you guys don't like feeling tied down or confined. And when anytime something slows down or starts to get boring, you'll stop doing that one particular thing and then you'll hop to something else and just start a whole new venture. And so what I would say is try to avoid doing this. Anytime you feel yourself getting bored or you start seeing things slow down, just take a break. This can mean walking around your neighborhood, taking a lunch break, going on vacation, but just take a nice light rest so that you guys can be mentally refreshed and ready to go and get back at it. Don't just stop doing something because it gets boring, because everything's not going to be exciting all the time, and then just hop to something else. Try to stick to what you're doing and master it, then hop to something else. 5s are really versatile, but master one thing at a time. Don't just chase your excitement, and as soon as you're not excited about one thing, just jump to another thing. This is going to make you guys really wishy-washy. It's going to make you really childish. It's going to make you really inconsistent. And like I said, it's going to make you really, not that good at everything that you do. You're just going to be just good enough to get by. And so to perfect something, you need to stay disciplined and master it. And so work on being more consistent and work on being more disciplined. Now, if you would like a more in-depth analysis on your entire numerology chart, just click the link in my profile bio and read my book, Supreme Mathematics, A Complete Guide on Chaldean Numerology.